bite in honor of Sidney, in honor for his love for Seattle. We're gonna be doing Seattle Style Teriyaki chicken wings. All right, Sidney, you're gonna cook along with me.
I'm gonna sit this here.
Yeah, yeah, I like that, I like
I
that.
get it dirty.
We got the wing. Are you a flat guy or a drum guy?
I'm all.
Yeah.
I'll eat the whole
Non-discriminatory. I love it. I love it. I love it. So we kind of add those in. The reason we do teriyaki, and Sidney, you know this, the Japanese food here is unreal.
Yes.
So Sidney, you're gonna get over here, you're gonna make the marinade, okay? Really just start dumping and whisking. So we got a little soy sauce. Beautiful. We got a ton of honey. This is what really makes it sticky and glazy and delicious. So we've got the honey going. A ton of ginger and garlic. And we go fresh here. You can totally use dried. The one rule I have with dried is always cut it by half. So if you use dried herbs and it calls for like half a cup of ginger, go with a quarter cup because dried's stronger. Some garlic, beautiful. Then we've got some mirin, and then just a little bit of mustard, I'll get that for you, and some vegetable oil. Basically, we've got kind of this marinade. It already smells crazy good, right? It smells insane, right? And what you would do at this point is, right, just like that, easy peasy. And how long do you think that marinates for, Sidney?
I would give it at least a couple hours in the fridge.
Yeah, see, he's a wing guy. As we let these marinate, I would want to say, you kind of switched careers for a sec. You started making wine. I mean, guys, dossier wine.
Dossier was a project that my partner Tim Lanahan and I started. What happened was I was posting a lot of pictures of wine on my social media.
Okay.
Tim slid into my DMs and was like, hey man, you gotta start drinking some better wine. You live in Washington. So he would come over and he brought a lot of great Washington wines.
Yeah.
And one day I mentioned wanting to do a wine label and he just lit up. About 100 bottles in, we're like, let's do it.
Here in Washington, we have an incredible wine country. I mean, incredible. So this makes so much sense.
Amazing.
I want to try it. You do mind pouring?
Yes. We have our 21 Syrah.
Okay.
40% the rock, 60% red mountain fruit.
Oh my Lord. Yeah. That is smooth.
This being a 21 and being that smooth right out of the bottle, being approachable is what we're going for.
Crushed it. Dude, thank you, thank you. That would pair perfectly with these wings. Putting this in my pocket. Dude, that is really, really good wine. All right, back to the wings. This has been going for 4 hours. And then you take it out, you lay it on a sheet tray, and then if you guys want really crispy wings that are not fried, are you ready? Sidney, you're not even gonna know this move. You gotta turn up your heat on the temperature on the oven to about 425 degrees, so really hot, 20 minutes. Do not look inside. After 20 minutes, turn it down to about 175. Dude, I could sit in 175 degree oven. That is really low. Let it go for about an hour. So it's gonna be really cooked, but what it does is it kind of dries it out like beef jerky almost, and it gives it this really beautiful crust. So look at these puppies.
Yeah, I like that. Beautiful.
Yeah. I mean, this is how you do some wings. You've probably done this a million times. You know where I'm about to go right now.
Yes.
So what we did is we scraped those wings in. I mean, look at this. You really don't. It's like pulling from this, like candy. Unbelievable. You don't have to do this next move, but we took the marinade that the chicken was in, and we actually just took the chicken out and reduced it down to a syrup. So it just concentrates all the flavors, makes it incredible. So I'm gonna just toss this over here. Sidney, I think you know what to do next. Don't fumble it, baby. Don't fumble it. Yeah. Go big. Go. Yeah. See, he's got it. More of this. More of this. All right. Beautiful. All right. Now throw them on here. Guys, look at this. Look at the sheen of this. If you're a Seattleite, you know that screams a teriyaki joint right there. That is everything you love. Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
He's pumped. He's pumped. I love it. All right. So wings are down. A couple of quick things. You don't have to do this. Again, these are awesome. I got some sesame seeds. Right. You want to hit it with some scallions, Sidney?
Oh, for sure.
Okay. Again, just a little bit of color. And then this stuff, literally, I wish you could just inject it into my mouth. I don't know. This is unbelievable. This is called crispy chili garlic. Have you messed with this stuff yet?
I haven't. I'm about to, though.
You're about to. You're about to. So you just kind of take this and you just kind of hit it.
Oh.
right? And you can find these at Chinese markets. Amazing stuff. So there it is, inspired by Sydney, by our teriyaki joints, Seattle Style Teriyaki wing.